Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how to link Facebook with Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. For this we need to go to Facebook. Further here we open the menu. This method works on absolutely any device. Further from the top click settings and privacy. Here we select account. Next, we open Profiles. We select our Facebook account. Then, at the bottom here, I also click Facebook account. And now here we have Cin's profile info. We click right here. And as you can see, it will show you which pages I have already linked. If we want to link, we click on Cin's profile info. And then our Facebook page. And now we can link to Instagram together. You click here and link up. If you liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Give us a like. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.